Welcome to the Adobe tutorials. Today, I will teach you how Adobe Dreamweaver CS6 works. Adobe Dreamweaver is an application used by web designers and developers to create websites and mobile applications. To run Adobe Dreamweaver CS6, go and click the Start button. Under Start menu, you will see All Programs. Select All Programs. Click on Adobe Dreamweaver CS6. Now you can see the Adobe Dreamweaver CS6 window is opened on your computer screen. Now let's look at the welcome screen. When you open up Dreamweaver, the welcome screen is the first thing you see. Now, if open a file up by just creating a new in here, the welcome screen is going to go away. But if you close a file, it will come right back. The first thing I want to show you is in the upper left-hand corner of the welcome screen. This is Open a Recent Item. Now, if you haven't worked on anything recently, that list will of course be totally empty. Now, you also have the option of opening a file and browsing out to find a file as well. The middle column, right here under Create New, allows us to create new files. Dreamweaver can certainly create more types of files than you're seeing here in this list, like HTML, Cold Fusion, PHP, CSS, JavaScript, XML, things like that. The little link here that says More will take you to an expanded page. Now, in the third column over here, in the top features, there are some top videos here for you to watch to get you up and running with Dreamweaver CS6. Now, on the bottom of the welcome screen, we also have links to different help files online. Next, I shall tell you about managing workspaces and arranging panels. If you go up to the workspace switcher, which is found in the application toolbar, you will notice that we have several default workspaces. These workspaces basically give you a default layout in terms of the interface. So, for example, if I go to Coda, you will notice that the panels have now moved over here to the left-hand side, and there are far fewer panels open now. If I go back to Designer, I see the exact same panel. So, workspaces are nice. They allow you to quickly and easily switch back and forth between the series of panel groupings. Let's take a look at the Adobe Browser Lab panel. If I select the tab of the Browser Lab panel and drag it out and release it, you will notice that it floats this panel. So now I am free to move this panel to a different location. I can also come up and close the panel by clicking the upper right-hand corner where this little X is. To find your panels is in the menu under Window. So, if you select Window menu, I can see all the panels Dreamweaver has available for me. So, if I go down to Extension, there is Browser Lab. If I click on that, it brings it right back. Select the tab of the Adobe Browser Lab panel and drag this over on top of the Business Catalyst panel. When I let go, the Adobe Browser Lab panel now docks with it, and I have created a new tab grouping. So, switching back and forth between those two panels is very simple. Now, I just want to go back.